In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures today. As they're realizing some selling pressure here today, we are seeing them down better than 1.5% currently, right around the 52.30 level. Now, we did see an intraday low of 51.44, and that's a 9 trading session low level for the March futures. So again, off the lows, but still down on the session. And I think when you look at the impact today, why we're seeing some selling pressure for a second day, I think, first of all, some technical selling taking place here as we are seeing a little bit of a shift in momentum coming off those recent highs, the multi-month highs for WTI futures. Couple that with a shift in the narratives, I think, as well. Iran coming back into the market with greater production, with some of the restrictions coming off, and I think that's possibly being factored into the market. Also, when you look at the inventory builds, I think that's another thing the market's still digesting. And then just the general trends as we continue to see the COVID-19 virus having a substantial impact. And even though the vaccines are rolling out, it does appear that I think maybe we're reaching a point here where maybe things are stagnating a little bit as far as the economic activity, and maybe the market's adjusting for a little bit of that shift in narrative as well. Looking at the trends, we are seeing, again, WTI just coming off the recent highs, but really not giving up too much ground here, at least for the first couple of days of selling pressure. We'll have to see how that plays out next week. But also I want to point out that when you look at the rig counts, we did get the Baker Hughes rig count number once again today, and we saw an increase of 5 rig counts across the board. Now, 2 of those were oil and 3 of those were gas this week, but nonetheless, a 9th consecutive week of increases for the Baker Hughes rig count.